Now, we've also seen sort of today the whole business of hedge funds and private equity and shadow stuff. And now they're talking about getting into the mutual fund business. You think that's what do you think of that?
I mean,
hedge funds getting into mutual funds.
Well, a couple of differences, between a hedge fund and what I did in Magellan.
Right.
I could only buy long. I couldn't short.
So you couldn't sell short, right?
But I couldn't buy
hedge funds
commodities.
Can sell short, obviously.
Right. I couldn't buy commodities. I couldn't short the euro. I mean, they're into a lot, and they do it on leverage, a lot of leverage. So you have to be careful what you get into. There are some hedge funds that are very conservative. They're only going to be 20% short, mostly long. Because the nice thing about occasionally, if I found an idea that I thought was overpriced, I just went on to the next thing. I couldn't short it. So there is an advantage to be able to short, but I found that long only.
But with these hedge funds who get into mutual funds, I mean, they'll have to also live up under the rules that mutual funds live under. Do you think they will be successful? I mean,
well, I found the long.
They're obviously tracking some.
The hedge funds that have been on the long side have done the best. I mean, they may have a little bit by being short, but being right on the long side. Because obviously, if you're right, you can make, and that's, I would say when I ran Magellan, I might have been right 6 times out of 10. But if I'm right, I make a double or triple occasionally. It offsets the times you lose 30 or 40%. In fact, you could be right a third of the time as long as you have a lot of good results. So that's, when you're short, you can only make 90%. When you're long, you can make 10-fold or 5-fold. So I think long is the way to be.
Optimistic.
Optimistic, yeah. Well, careful and optimistic.